Hello everybody and welcome back to episode 2 of our Obby adventure. My brother is still stuck there. Dude, don't rage.
I will.
No, wait, I got it. I'll do it for you because you don't know how it works. Yeah, it's that one white page with all the cubes. You guys remember that one? You guys can watch technically me do it. Then it his screen is actually very glitchy. He's on a tablet, by the way. No, wait, wrong cube. Oh my god, his screen is actually very glitchy. Peter, you don't know how this one works, so I'm going to do it for you.
I am super strong.
Here.
Can you jump one more time? Oh yeah, I know where you are. How does this one work?
You just got to jump on it.
In the middle?
Anywhere. What the? Oh, I think you cracked it. Yes, you did. You cracked it.
Where?
That?
That's always been there.
No, it hasn't.
It has. Mama sat on it, remember?
And then this is here now. And then
That
this.
was already there.
No.
All these cracks.
And your screen isn't even working anymore.
I'm done.
I think you just broke your own tablet, dude.
Guys, I won't be in any more of these videos. Bye.
Well, I mean, you can talk. Done! Wait, you want to use my tablet since I'm not using it? As long as... No, wait, I'm not going to let you smash my tablet. We'll just... Oh, it's a maze.
I'm just going to put on YouTube.
Well, you can leave because you're not part of the series anymore. How is your thing still working? You literally cracked it. I heard it crack. Well, I guess I'm doing the rest of this hobby alone. Let's see. This isn't hard. This is actually very easy. Okay, so you can't touch the red. What? It looks like a ladder, honestly. What? Careful. Oh my god. What? Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Alright, guys. I finally made it across that, or like, past that level. Wait, what? Oh. Oh, now it wants me to jump. Yeah. 60. Wait, what? Oh, okay. I see. Sorry I'm being so quiet. I gotta focus. What? I I'm not even touching it. What is this? You guys saw that. I'm not touching it. What is this? What is this? Okay, fine. I'll buy a skip because this is outrageous. There goes most of my Robux. Okay, now how do I skip? Do I reset? I reset. It didn't skip me. This game stole most of my Robux. So I'm going to report it and email Roblox about it. We are no longer doing this series, so... Where's the report button? First I need to dislike. There. Report. Category. Account theft. Exploiting change. Scamming. I spent 50 Robux to skip and it didn't skip me. Some basic blocks, okay. Report. Let me go email Roblox real quick. Well guys, that's it for this stupid game series. I'll see you guys next time.